Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of fragrance with a spotlight on what we believe is the best pink sugar spray available, the Good Chemistry Pink Palm Body Mist. Now, what sets the Good Chemistry Pink Palm Body Mist apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk scent. This body mist boasts a delightful blend of dragon fruit, magnolia, and sugared vanilla notes. It's like taking a stroll through a tropical paradise with every spritz. But it's not just about smelling good. The Good Chemistry Pink Palm Body Mist is formulated with essential oils, making it not only cruelty-free and vegan but also long-lasting. And speaking of being environmentally conscious, this mist is free from phthalate, parabens, propylene glycol, and dyes. Plus, the packaging is recyclable through TerraCycle, so you can feel good about your purchase. Whether you're looking to freshen up on the go or simply want to indulge in a burst of fragrance, the Good Chemistry Pink Palm Body Mist is the perfect companion. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a pink sugar spray that's as good for you as it smells, look no further than the Good Chemistry Pink Palm Body Mist. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on products you'll love. Until next time.